Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Noviana Budianti. I'm from Primary Education Postgraduate, Indonesia University of Education. Will present the result of my research and data analysis of teaching style of high grade teachers in narrative writing learning in Wado District. The background. 1. Language skills are one of the skills that must be mastered by students at school. 2. Indonesian learns four aspects which include aspects of listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. 3. Teachers have a role in improving the quality of education in school, including in language learning. 4. The teacher's role is very important in learning to write. The aim. This study focused on the analysis of teaching style conducted by Indonesian language teachers in Wado District, Sumedang, on students' narrative writing skill. Method. This study used a qualitative approach through descriptive methods with the type of research being survey research. Object and data collection. Object. The object of research in this study are high-class teachers in Wado. Data collection techniques used are questionnaires using a rating scale model and open answer. The data analysis technique used is the data analysis technique developed by Mills and Huberman, which include data reduction, data display, and drawing conclusion. Instrument. A measuring tool to determine the value of each variable using an instrument. In this study, the instrument in question are questionnaires that are outlined in 30 questions. Result. There are 7 indicators that serve as a reference to see the teacher's teaching style. 1. Guide student in determining the theme, topic, and mandate to be delivered, 84.6%. 2. Guide student in compiling the main idea of a predetermined topic, 69%. 3. Set target readers, 30.7%. 4. Compose the character and disposition setting and point of view of the story, 61.5%. 5. Designing the main event that will be displayed in the form of an essay outline, 53.8%. 6. Guide in the activity of correcting the outline of the essay, 46.2%. And the last, guide student in revising the result of writing, 76.9%. In general, it can be seen that the average teacher teaching style carried out by upper class teacher in Wado District, Sumedang, is an interactional teaching style by percentage 77.4%. In this case, the teacher creates an interactive atmosphere between teacher and student and student because learning is delivered into direction and is dialogical. Discussion. After obtaining data on the application of narrative writing indicators, data on variation or teaching style of teachers in teaching narrative writing in high grades were obtained. To obtain data, each teaching style variable is translated into several questions according to the indicators of each variable. From the response given by respondent, on average, they apply an interactional teaching style. This interactional teaching style is a teaching style that focuses more on two-way interaction. Conclusion. The most dominant teaching style carried out by teachers is interactional teaching style, with a percentage of 77.4%. The percentage is obtained from the calculation between the number of respondents' answer scores from each variable divided by the maximum score of the variable and then multiplied by 100%. While the smallest percentage of the data obtained is on the personalized teaching style with a percentage value of 73%. Okay, thank you for your attention. Sorry if there are mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.